Hey guys, Toilets Rock here, and today I'll be flushing my 2023 Mansfield ProFit toilets on a mid-tank. So I'm not expecting the flush on this toilet to be really that powerful just because of how big the siphon jet is, but I now have the water in the tank at the water line, so let's give it a flush. It pretty much flushes the same thing like it would be on a tank, but just a little bit more powerful. But I'll be back once I have the tank overfilled and we'll see how it flushes. I now have the tank overfilled. Now we'll flush it. It was actually a lot more powerful than I thought it would be. So now I will clog the siphon jet and I will put it at a normal water line and I will see how it flushes. I now have the siphon jet blocked, so I'm not expecting it to siphon out as it's flushing, just because these toilets are not very siphonic, and I'm just expecting the water just to swirl as it's flushing and then the water slowly drops. But I guess we will see once I flush it. I guess I was right. These toilets are definitely not siphoning, but it may have a chance of siphoning out once I overfill the tank, and I will be back once I actually overfill the tank. The tank is now overfilled. Hopefully it will siphon this time. It did not do anything. So I will try it again, but I will clog up the trapway a little bit. So hopefully as I flush it, the water will rise higher, and as it's flushing, it will unclog itself and siphon out. I'll be back once I clog up the trapway a little bit with the tank overfilled again. I now have the trapway blocked, so hopefully this time it will siphon out. So I'm expecting it to siphon, but let's see. It finally siphoned out, but as it was clogged, it stopped for a second and then it started to go down. But that's it for today's video. I will give this toilet a last flush and I'll end the video. If you guys enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.